Okay, back with the 8th gen Civic Coupe manual EX. We're going to show you a couple things about how to get a stubborn bead back on after you've put a valve stem in, and then some overview of some weight reduction, some light tuning on this thing. And I can see why people lower these things, because that's like a 2.5-inch drop with the spare tire. It's way slammed. Janky exhaust repair. Gutted trunk, rear seat delete, gutted door cards, center console delete, glove box delete, visor bungees, floppy. Spare ignition coils, the old one's crapped out. Well, one of them did. Higher speed rated, higher temperature tires. New rear valve stems. Bigger battery, Spectre air filter. There's the new ignition coils. 36 psi. Almost an extra half quart of oil, road racer style. Haircut. Take a dump. Quarter tank of gas. Lighter muffler. Put together. If you ever have trouble breaking the bead on a tire, just have a square framed piece of wood like this, and you can use a scissor jack to press down on the tire to get it off, to break the bead. And if you're having trouble seating the bead, just set the rubber part of the tire on top of 2 boards and then press down with your foot. Next time, test drive. Stay tuned.